There are times when a good homemade soup can make everything seem right, and this lentil soup is a great example. All Recipes member Marie comments that this recipe makes a hearty lentil soup, chock full of veggies and very yummy. Serve with warm cornbread. First, let's get the chopping and dicing underway. Peel and chop 1 medium onion. Then quarter and dice 2 carrots. Dice 2 stalks of celery, and then mince 2 cloves of garlic. In a large soup pot, heat olive oil over medium heat and add the chopped onions, the carrots, and the celery, and cook them until the onion is soft. Then stir in the garlic, along with 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1 teaspoon of dried basil. Cook this mixture for 2 minutes just to let the flavors blend. Then stir in 2 cups of dried lentils and add 8 cups of water. And 1 14.5-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Bring the soup to a boil. Now reduce the heat and let the soup simmer for an hour. Just before you're ready to serve, thinly slice half a cup of rinsed and dried spinach. And stir this into the soup, cooking just until it wilts. Stir in 2 tablespoons of vinegar. If you like more tartness in your soup, you can add more vinegar to taste. Add salt and pepper. Serve this great comfort food soup with your favorite bread, and, at least for the moment, all will seem right with the world.